We
Yes.
move on with FPL captain picks, one of the most interesting sections. We would like to iterate. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. Press the bell button. Will
If you have
help us a
subscribed,
lot.
subscribe 3 times.
So yeah, we had a pretty interesting game week last week, and we have a good game week to look forward to. Hoping we will get more points. So captaincy picks are very important when it comes to FPL. So we have picked a few of uh, those captains which we are considering and which might get in with some points. So for me, it's a pretty interesting pick, but I have a gut feeling that Mohamed Salah will be my pick this
Salah
game.
at home
Yeah.
is a good shout, especially because Wolves is not having an attack.
Hmm.
So they will sit deep. Trent is not there, sadly, but Robo will do in crosses.
Hmm, hmm,
Salah
hmm.
will be at the end of it, and you
True.
will get some points of Salah, I believe.
Yeah, and I think he will get in more goals against Wolves. So it's a gut feeling, and
Yeah, he is due for a haul.
yeah,
So
he
he
is
has
due. He
got
is
like
due.
one goal or one assist, and like looking at Salah versus Bruno,
Hmm.
Salah has like 8 goals, but only has like one or two assists.
Yeah.
One coming last week, so
Yeah.
he is due for some shithousery.
Hmm.
So that's a good shot.
Yeah, if you have seen the match, Pranav, you won't consider it to be an assist because Jota dribbled all the way,
Okay, yeah.
so it won't be an assist.
For the Grealish goal, someone got an assist. We saw the Grealish goal, right? That was he dribbled all the way, and it was very well done. But he still got the assist. It happens. That's how the way the world works. Now Cavani did all the work, and then still Bruno got a goal, right? So, hey, that's how life is.
Yeah, true, true, true. So Salah is my pick because I feel he is due for a haul, and I think a lot of people won't captain him as well because there are even more better picks. Uh,
I have captained him actually.
yeah, okay, great. So I have to remove him as a captain. Great. So yeah, we will move to what Arvind thinks. So what are your captaincy picks for the next game week?
I don't have Salah in my team due to personal reasons.
Okay.
I have I had actually picked Vardy and Grealish
Mm-hmm.
as my captain picks this week.
Mm-hmm.
Vardy just
Uh,
because I think he'll be performing well this week. And
Grealish won't
my
play.
second op yeah, my second option was Grealish, but I don't think he'll be playing anymore. So I don't like to say this. My second option would be Salah.
Yes, boy, we did it.
We did
Corona
it.
did it.
We did it. We did it.
See, I told you I don't like to say it. So yeah, so I'm expecting Vardy to perform like he has that pattern of performing after every 2 or 3 game weeks.
Mhm.
Last week he managed to get an assist at the last moment, I should say.
Yeah.
So I think he's playing Fulham next. So he should be scoring some goals or assisting in some of them.
Mhm.
They played
And
Fulham.
Salah, Salah.
I don't
No, no,
think.
they are playing Fulham next.
Are they?
No, no, sorry.
They have
No, they
played.
are facing. Yeah, they're facing Sheffield next.
Yeah,
Great.
Sheffield.
Great team.
Yeah, Sheffield. So that is why I chose Vardy
Yeah.
The one thing
because
about Vardy is that NTDs will be coming back.
Okay.
Wilfred NTD. So that's stability in
Hmm.
midfield. You will also have Ricardo Pereira.
Pereira.
Might come play.
Mhm.
So
Hmm.
players are coming back. NDD is a very important asset for
True.
Leicester. He's a very good midfielder,
Yeah.
and having him will get them more possession and hopefully more chances in goal. And you, Vardy is again a good pick. He was okay against Fulham,
Mm.
and somehow got the assist. It was
Somehow.
all so it was all Barnes, who I remember selling 2 months ago.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a good pick. That is also a good pick.
So yep. So who are you looking for, Pranav, as captains?
So, Bruno Fernandes, you might have heard this name before.
Oh my goodness.
I've ranted about him.
Oh my goodness.
I've also
Yeah,
stated.
this is someone Pranav does not have in his team right now.
But yes, Bruno will get that goal. I want him to blank till I get him, so that he drops in price.
Hmm.
But uh, honestly, it's poised to look like a Bruno Fernandes show, mainly because he will play 90 minutes and in before he gets injured.
Yeah.
So, looking at the away stats, if I think something Suraj will talk about later on,
Hmm.
United did something the club has done first time in their top
History.
flight seasons.
Yep.
Right. So they are doing very well away from home. I think Old Trafford doesn't feel like Old Trafford anymore. So they are. Bruno is a good shout.
Hmm.
Second, Salah at home is, like I said, it's going to be. He's due a very good game. And hopefully that comes before I ship him out.
Hmm.
So there's that. KDB, good shout against Fulham. As long as Pep doesn't decide to rotate him,
Hmm.
if you have KDB and Salah and Bruno,
Hmm.
I have seen teams which have Grealish, Bruno, Salah, and KDB. They are going to have a nightmare deciding on the captain.
True. True that. True that.
Right. So because you can have that team having like a very inexpensive attacking options like your Bamford and Ollie Watkins and maybe like this guy Dominic Calvert-Lewin.
Yeah.
So all three options are very point getting and cheap. So in that option you can have four midfielders in that team.
Yeah. Why do I feel you're talking about me right now?
Sorry.
Why do I feel you're talking about me right now? Because that's the exact team, something of that sort I have, and still I
Yeah.
captained DCL after that.
Yes,
So
there is a reason why this guy is doing well in FPL right now, and the best way to say that is because of like investing in midfield.
true,
This
true.
this this guy is Grealish, Son, Fernandez, and Salah in his team. Like what else do you want? His overall rank of 100,000 something.
Hmm.
It's working,
It's
and
working.
that's a good choice.
Hmm.
My last pick would be Vardy. Someone we have talked about this week.
Hmm.
Uh, Vardy, main reason is that because of Vardy, Arvind has left the chat. Now the orientation has changed. The
Yeah.
camera is weird now.
Now he will go down. Right. Perfect.
So yeah, talking of Vardy,
Hmm.
yeah. So like I said, NDD is back. They will have more options in defense and midfield.
Hmm.
Will bring on stability in the team. And also, similarly, someone you should not consider is Everton assets, mainly because Luka Dean is gone for
Hmm.
good for 2 months,
Yeah.
and he's like the biggest outlet for James Rodriguez. So it's like James to the left, he has Luka Dean making the runs.
Yeah.
Luka Dean crosses his head to DCL, instant goal. That's how they work.
Hmm.
So now they are missing that. They played a 3-5-2, which obviously didn't work against BSLA, who shut them out fully. Uh, One thing is that he was kind of unlucky. James Rodriguez, he should have got some points in that game. Nevertheless, it's going to be a little difficult for Everton assets to get points. I
Hmm.
still have hope for DCL. Ancelotti does know what to do. He will turn it around. But this week it is going to be safer picks would be Bruno, Salah, KDB, or Vardy, either of these people.
So Bruno, Salah, KDB, and
And
Vardy.
Hami Vardy.
Great. Interesting picks overall. Interesting picks. So let's see which of these picks does well, and I hope we captain the right person this time.
I hope.
Do tell me who you are captaining, because then I will change.
Sadly, I can't captain Bruno, but I've jinxed him enough so that he
Yeah, I
has goal.
know that's the only reason why you talked about Bruno Fernandes in this team. And
Bruno Fernandes.
yes.